Are you looking for the top 5 best carpet sweepers for effortless cleaning? I recently bought and tested several carpet sweepers, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. I know how frustrating it can be to find the right cleaning product that actually works. After rigorous testing, I'm here to give you the lowdown on the top 5 carpet sweepers that promise to make your life easier.
Product number 1, Bissell Easy Sweep Compact Carpet and Floor Sweeper, Model 2484A. I picked this little beauty up for just $22.99, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer in my household. The first time I used it, I was absolutely amazed by how lightweight and easy it was to maneuver. I have both carpets and hard floors, and this sweeper tackled them all with ease. The nylon bristles are tough enough to pick up pet hair and dirt, but gentle on my floor surfaces. One of my favorite features is its cordless design. No more fumbling with wires or searching for an outlet. I could clean any corner of my home without a hitch. The fact that it lays flat is another plus. I was able to sweep under my couch and furniture with no trouble at all. After sweeping, I appreciated the dual bottom empty dirt bins that made emptying a breeze. No mess, no fuss. Plus, maintaining the brush roll was easy as pie. However, there are a couple of drawbacks worth mentioning. While it's excellent for surface cleaning, it may not replace a deep vacuum cleaner for those tough embedded dirt spots. And if you have larger debris, you might need to make a couple of passes. But for everyday quick cleanups, it's a solid buy. So why should you consider the Bissell Easy Sweep? If you're looking for a lightweight, compact option that can handle a variety of surfaces without the hassle of cords or batteries, this sweeper is an excellent choice. It's affordable, efficient, and easy to store, making it a must-have for any home.
Product number 2, Bissell Natural Sweep Carpet and Floor Sweeper, Model 92N0A, priced at $30.89. I was intrigued by its dual brush rotating system and corner edge brushes, which promised to tackle those pesky dirt spots that other sweepers might miss. Upon testing, I found the design to be intuitive and user-friendly. The dual brush system really stood out. It effectively picked up hair and crumbs, even from the edges of my rugs. I ran it through my low-pile carpet and hard floors, and it didn't miss a beat. The lightweight design made it easy to carry from room to room, and I loved how effortlessly it glided across different surfaces. One aspect I appreciated was the eco-friendly approach. It doesn't rely on batteries or electricity, which is a huge win for both the environment and my wallet. However, I did notice that while it excels at picking up small debris, it struggles a bit with larger items. If you have a lot of heavy debris, you might find yourself needing to pick up some items manually first. So why should you consider the sweeper? If you value a product that's both eco-friendly and efficient for daily cleaning, the Bissell Natural Sweep is a fantastic option. Its design ensures that you can tackle messes quickly, making it a great addition to any cleaning arsenal.
Product number 3, Yokata Carpet Sweeper Cleaner. Moving on to the Yokata Carpet Sweeper Cleaner, which I snagged for $24.69. This sweeper caught my eye with its promise to clean up everything from pet hair to small rubbish. After a week of use, I can confidently say it delivers on that promise. The Yokata is designed for low and undercoat carpets, so I was eager to see how it would handle my thick rug. To my surprise, it performed remarkably well. The brush system worked wonders at picking up pet hair, which is no small feat in my household. The design of this sweeper is also very user-friendly. It has an ergonomic handle that felt comfortable during long cleaning sessions. One of the standout features for me was its ability to pick up not just hair, but also crumbs and small bits of paper that my kids tend to leave behind. However, I did find it slightly less effective on hard floors compared to carpets. For those who primarily have carpets, this is a perfect fit, but if you have mixed surfaces, you might want to consider that. Why choose the Yokata? If you're dealing with persistent pet hair and need something lightweight and easy to maneuver, this sweeper could be your best friend. It's affordable, works well on carpets, and is easy to maintain, making it a worthwhile investment for pet owners.
Product number 4, Bissell 2886 Perfect Sweep Turbo. Now let's talk about the Bissell 2886 Perfect Sweep Turbo, priced at $54.99. I was excited to try this model because it boasts a more powerful motorized sweeping action. Right out of the box, I noticed the robust design, which felt more durable than some of the other models I'd tested. The first thing I did was put it to the test on my tile kitchen floor, which usually collects crumbs like a magnet. The Perfect Sweep Turbo was impressive. It picked up everything in its path, including those stubborn bits of cereal that tend to hide in the corners. What I loved most was its easy empty dust cup. After a quick cleaning session, I could just detach the cup and dump the contents without making a mess. The motorized brush roll made a noticeable difference in efficiency, especially on my area rugs. However, it's worth mentioning that this model is a bit heavier than others, and some may find it slightly cumbersome for extended cleaning sessions. So, why should you buy the Bissell 2886? If you're looking for a powerful, effective carpet sweeper that can handle various surfaces and is easy to maintain, this is a solid option. It's ideal for those who want an efficient tool for both quick cleanups and thorough sweeps.
Product number 5, Shark Rechargeable Floor Sweeper. Lastly, we have the Shark Rechargeable Floor Sweeper, which boasts a motorized brush roll and compact swivel design. While I don't have the exact price, I can tell you that it's worth considering if you're looking for a versatile cleaning tool. Upon unboxing, I was impressed by the sleek design and the promise of powerful debris pickup. The first time I used it, I appreciated how easily it maneuvered around furniture. The motorized brush roll was a game changer. It effortlessly picked up pet hair and dust across both carpets and hard floors. The easy empty dust cup was also a highlight, allowing me to dispose of debris without any fuss. However, one drawback is that the battery life is something to keep an eye on. While it lasts for a decent amount of time, heavier use might require you to recharge it more often than you'd like. Why should you consider the Shark Rechargeable Floor Sweeper? If you want a powerful, compact option that can handle all floor types and is easy to use, this sweeper could be your ideal cleaning companion. It's perfect for quick cleanups and offers a level of versatility that many other models lack. In conclusion, each of these carpet sweepers has its unique strengths that cater to different cleaning needs. Whether you're looking for something lightweight, powerful, or eco-friendly, there is a model here for you. Happy cleaning!